What is fun is that you can create a trial version when you have finished designing and drawing a grown-up monster. The alien monster we have created is no doubt a grown-up version, a daddy monster. It's sure that we can design a baby monster which is much cuter, tiny, and harmless. And surely we have to draw by the templates of the daddy monster. All I have to do is to just try to copy the shape and the forms of the grown-up version. Its skin would be smoother and its eyes haven't stood out yet, and there is no wrinkle on its tiny creature. Alright, the alien monster family is almost done right now. I hope that you still remember the lump and swirling texture and that spread nearly all over the skin and add reality to the creature. Remember how I draw the wrinkle and how I developed the baby monster. Thanks for watching.